This is all about blogging with AI. In this video, you will learn how to start your blogging business using AI free tools from start to finish. These are tools that you don't need training to use. Can you imagine waking up early in the morning and start seeing sales from your email, which is as a result of your blog post? Do you know that you can be making over $3,000 monthly blogging? Before now, blogging used to be very tough for people to start, but not anymore. Blogging is so easy to start right now, and today is the best time for you to start. All you need with these free AI tools is just less than 1 hour every day to generate high-quality content for your blog. Just one article well written by these AI tools will continue to make you money for a long time, even while you are sleeping. And the good thing about this is that you can monetize your blog in multiple fronts that I'll be showing you towards the end of this video. Therefore, I'll be taking you through how to build your blogging business. You'll be able to achieve the following. You'll be able to use these AI tools to discover the best profitable niche to pursue right now. You will learn how to generate great ideas that will drive a lot of traffic to your blog that will earn you more money. You'll be able to come up with an in-depth article outline that will add a lot of value to your audience, that will keep them coming back every day to your website. You'll be able to easily build a list of SEO-based library of keywords that will help you make money in no time with your website. You'll be able to achieve all this for a set of AI free tools that will help you build a profitable website that will continue to make you money for a long time. Please do me this big favor. Kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you so much for doing this for me. It is very important you watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you and giving you an important information that will help you put all these AI tools together for a robust and profitable blogging business. Therefore, I'll be showing you each of these AI tools and the best way to put them to use. So, let's do it. The first thing you need to clear about using AI for blogging is to deal with the big elephant in the room, and that is Google. What is Google saying about you blogging with artificial intelligence? If you come to Google Search Central under spam policy, which is what I'm showing you now, you see the link below the description of this video. If you scroll down, you see this heading, spammy automatically generated content. That is content that is generated by AI. This is Google's opinion about using AI. As long as your content is helping your audience, you cannot be flagged by Google. Text that makes no sense to readers. You can read all this. These are the criteria of what your content must avoid not to be flagged as being spammy. Ensure you read this. Also, this is a tweet by one of Google liaison officer, that is Danny. He was responding to the use of AI content. So what this is still saying is, ensure you use the AI to generate content that is original and that will help your audience. Thank you. I'm going to talk about multiple AI tools for blogging that you can use for free. But one AI tool that is most useful for free is chatgpt. The first thing you need to do is to use chatgpt to discover your niche. Your niche is the kind of blogging that you venture into. Let me show you how to do that. All you need to do is to come to openai.com. Then you click try chatgpt. This is the inside of chatgpt. The best way to use chatgpt to its fullness is for you to know how to do proper prompts. It is called AI prompt engineering. This is how you do that. Take a look at this prompt. You are a blogger and an SEO, that is search engine optimization expert of years of experience. I love anything from observing nature to studying animals. What is the best blogging niche with no competition I can venture into right now? Please ask questions. Let's see what it's going to give us. Look at it. Say, great. Look at it. So it's asking all these questions. I'm going to answer this question so that I can get the niche recommended by artificial intelligence for me to run with. So I've decided to answer this question. So let's see what it's going to give us. You can see it's generating and suggesting niche that we can venture into. These are niches that the AI has suggested: nature-inspired craft, sustainable fashion, nature-based travel, eco-friendly home design, animal behaviors and training. So these are untapped niche with low competition that you can venture into if your description matches what I just fed the AI. So this is how to discover your niche in blogging using artificial intelligence. One of the things you can do fast is to come to amazingprofitonline.com. Over 280 best lists of niches for affiliate marketing for 2023. You can download it. All you need to do is to scroll down. You can read the article. You are going to learn more about how niches work with blogging and what to consider to choose your niche. All you need to do is to click this place and you get this free download of ebooks. You see the link below the description of this video for you to have access to this page. Look at it. These are different lists of niches of different topics that you can venture into as recommended by chatgpt. You can also use this AI tool to generate list of keywords idea of what to write on your website. Let's try this. So you can give this instruction. You are an SEO expert and a blogger with over 25 years of experience. You write out 10 keywords with no competition and with good traffic for a garden blog in USA. Let's see what it's going to give us. Look at it. These are instantly generated list of keywords with low competition that will rank for any garden blog. You can also generate a unique blog title that is very captivating. You want to compete with this website and with this blog title. All you need to do is to copy this title, take it to ChatGPT, paste it. This is how to transform such a title to other list of choice blog title. Look at this prompt. Let's see what it's going to give us. Can you see? So you have a lot of choice of title to decide on, and you can even instruct it. Please choose the best for me. Look at it. So the AI has decided to choose the best title for you. So this is how to use AI to generate captivating title for your blog post. You need to have a website where you are going to do the blogging. And the first thing you need to do is to come up with a name. The domain name, that is the name of your website, must be short and precise. Your website should be a .com one, not other extension. That is for commercial purpose. It will signal a legitimate website and your audience will take you serious. So this is my top recommended hosting. That is a place where you can host your website. You can get a free domain name here because normally you're supposed to pay for your domain name. And look at the pricing, less than $3 per month. Plus 2 months free. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video. That link will give you a further discount. Your website security is very important. That is why you need this website to take care of your content for speed, security, and protection from all the hazard online. Thank you. The next top recommended AI tool for blogging is Scribbot. You see the link below the description of this video. It is also free and this is one of the best tools online. You can paraphrase. It will help you check your grammatical error. It checks the plagiarism. It can help you write. It can help you summarize. You'll be able to do citation. It's going to generate it for you. You can translate your article to another language and it has an extension. Let me show you how this will work for you. For instance, you decide to come to this website. Maybe you are into gardening. You can compete with this website by taking this topic to ChatGPT. From ChatGPT, you'll now take it to this platform. The first thing to do is to come up with a good outline when writing an article, and ChatGPT can help you do that easily. Your prompt determines what you get. Look at the prompt. You can see the outline the AI is giving you. So these are the outline that you follow while you are doing this writing so that you can beat that other website in ranking. You can see a detailed and in-depth outline for this topic. So the first thing to do after the outline is to write the introduction. So look at the prompt I gave for this introduction using this outline. So you state this outline. Lesson. So this is the introduction of this article. You have the introduction of the article. All you need to do is to copy this article and come to this AI tool, Scribbot. Why are we on this platform? From ChatGPT, after you have your article, it is important you come to this platform to further enhance your article. Like you can paraphrase your article. That is, you come to this place, paraphrase it. It will change the content to produce something similar and even better. So the objective of using this particular platform is to use it to neutralize your content so that it will not be detected as being AI content. That is, if you are afraid that Google or other search engine will flag it, all you need to do is to copy the one that you've paraphrased. One of my top recommended AI tools that you can use is originality.ai. You will also see the link below the description of this video. All you need to do is to paste your content here and you click scan now. Look at what it says: 1% original, 99% AI. All you need to do is to come back to this place and paste this article here again and reparaphrase it. You continue to the right until you get high quality content. You can see this has been declared to be 100% original. So all you need to do is to pick this and drop it on your website and publish. So if you do this for all your content, you'll be rest assured that you are dealing with high quality content that cannot be detected and flagged as AI content. You can also use another tool, AI cheat check, to do the same thing. You will also see the link below the description of this video. All these tools are free. You can also use this platform to check and correct your grammar. All you need to do is to paste the document. If it is flagged, look at it, it has one error. You just click fix and it will instantly fix the error. It will also take care of your plagiarism. So you see the link below the description of this video for this tool. Every article and blog post that you write need great images. This particular AI platform will generate a free right to use images for you at no cost. I'm talking about beautiful images. It is called DALL-E. Just go to OpenAI and look for DALL-E. You click try DALL-E. It will instantly take you to this place. All you need to do is to describe the kind of images you want here. The description I just gave is for this platform to give me beautiful images of garden full of different pot of plants of different shapes. You just click generate. Look at different images. All you need to do is to click on them and download. Look at beautiful images of plants and garden that you can use on your blog post to illustrate the article you've written. You just click this place to download. Look at it, look at it, look at it. And this is for free. The images you get will be determined by your description of the images. Thank you. There are a lot of money to be made as a blogger. For instance, these are my pioneers payment as a blogger. These are payments from affiliate marketing. These are my Google AdSense payment. 3 weeks ago, I wrote an article about Fiverr affiliate on one of my websites. And look at this amount I just made. Look at the traffics. But how do you make money with your website? All you need to do is to focus on promoting Amazon products. There's nothing you are writing on your platform that will not have something to do with Amazon. All you need to do is to sign up on Amazon. I've done some videos that will help you on a step-by-step process of how to sign up on Amazon. This video will take you through a step-by-step process of how to sign up on Amazon. You'll be able to use your Payoneer to get your payment from Amazon from anywhere in the world. As soon as your article starts ranking and you start getting visitors, all you need to do, if you are into fashion, just put fashion and write affiliate program and search. You see a lot of affiliate programs that relate to fashion. You put your niche here, shoes, affiliate program. You'll be able to see a lot of shoes affiliate program on search engine. That is how you get different affiliate marketing program as a blogger. You now know how to start your blogging business with the free AI tools. All you need to do is to take action. There's one important thing that you need to know. These free AI tools are like vehicles that can take you to your destinations. You need to learn the art of practical blogging. All these require good trainings. You can achieve this in 2 ways. One way is to go and learn this for free. You will see links to my top recommended free resource as regard blogging below the description of this video. The problem with learning blogging for free is that it's not going to be arranged in sequence that will make meaning to you, but it is not an excuse not to start. My top recommended paid blogging training is the #1 affiliate marketing training center for beginners. I got to know about this company in 2016. With the help of the training, I'll be able to have multiple platforms that are making sales every day, and I'll be able to partner with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and so many other big companies. Watch this video. You have to know how to start with them, how I get started with them. You see my success stories and many success stories of other people. Ensure you use my affiliate link. That is the only way I can see you inside the training center. I'll be able to hold your hand and help you along your learning process. You can also take the advantage of my email affiliate marketing training. Just go to askjofar.com. It is free, and you'll be able to have a rough overview of how affiliate marketing and blogging business online works. You can also use all these AI tools with Ask Jofar Forum to promote your local and online businesses. The next video can change your life. You'll be able to see my proof of earnings and how you can make $100 every day as a blogger from anywhere in the world. Ensure you watch that video. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. That will help a lot of people to see this video and start blogging with AI. Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.